I'm going to explain the difference between a major scale and a minor scale in less than a minute.
Yeah, E minor, all right, yeah.
So first, to understand scales, you have to understand whole steps versus half steps. A half step is the next immediate note on the piano, whether it's black or white. So this is a half step up, this is a half step down. A whole step is two half steps combined, or when you skip a note, whether it's black or it's white. So a whole step here is, these are all whole steps. So if you play all whole steps in a row, it sounds like you're falling into a dream. If you play all half steps, you're playing chromatically and it sounds like you're falling down. So a scale is a mixture of whole steps and half steps. So a major scale pattern starts on a note and then does a whole step, a half step, a whole step, a whole step, a whole step, and a half step. A minor scale starts on a note and then does a whole step, a half step, a whole step, a whole step, a half step, a whole step, and a whole step. So you can start on any note and apply that pattern.